God is opposed to the proud. God is opposed to the proud. This is what God does towards. God doesn't run away. He doesn't hide away. He doesn't ignore pride in your life. He doesn't turn a blind eye. No, God opposes proud people. That's what the text is. And the word oppose, the Greek word, antitasetai, it's a military term. It speaks of bringing out your whole army. So when you sin again, when you exalt yourself above God and others, God doesn't just walk away. God brings out His whole. God gets into the boxing ring with you. If you say, "Listen, I'm God. Lord, I'm better than you," He doesn't run away. Puts on His gloves and He gets in the boxing ring with you. Say, "Okay, let's see how tough you are, buddy." And He doesn't get there by Himself. It says it's a military term. He brings all His angels, all the lightning and thunder He can gather to take you on.